India's most valuable company is sitting 15% below its highs, and the market is treating it like it's broken. The thing is, it's not. This is the Reliance trade for the next 3 months. So, what does Reliance do? Everything: oil refining, petrochemicals, geotelecom, Reliance retail, supermarkets, fashion, electronics, and now a massive bet on solar and green energy. It's not just one company, it's five companies rolled into one. And the numbers: revenue this quarter was 2.69 lakh crore, up 11% year on year. But the profit was almost flat at around 69,648 crores. That's the problem which the market is reacting to. Margins are compressing. Retail got hit by a new labor law, and the petrochemical business is suffering from weak global spreads. The new energy investments are still burning cash. But here's what the market is missing: Jio just crossed 515 million subscribers. Average revenue per user is now 213 rupees and going higher. And Mukesh Ambani has announced that Jio is preparing to file for its IPO, potentially listing in 2026. When Jio lists separately, Reliance Industries shareholders get to see the true value of what they already own. That's a massive re rating trigger. So, as you can also see the ratios over here, the operating profit margin is 17.15 and the net profit is around 7.22. You can also see that for being one of the largest market caps in the in National Stock Exchange of India, you can see that the company has a very low debt to equity ratio of 0.33. It also has a high interest coverage ratio of 5.37 and very good liquidity ratios, indicating that the company has very less debt for a company of its size. Now, let's look at the technical analysis. You can see that over here, since July 2024, the stock went on a downtrend and it came to its low of around 1159. This shows the range which Reliance is trading in, and the stock went below this range. So, as you can see here, since the last year, Reliance has slowly been gaining an uptrend and it is moving within this range itself. So, as you can see here, at around 1346 levels over here, you can see that or 1297 levels, we can see that take that as the support because of the high uh, demand region in this area. You can see that this is the demand region, but it has been offset by this sell-off over here. So I'm taking this as the as the support. You can also see over here that 1611 is the resistance level, which is showcased by the supply region over here. This is also the previous resistance level as well, which happened in July of 2024. Now, how would you go into executing this trade? Even though the market reacted shortly to the to the profit which had not grown, what you can do is, because of the fundamentals and because of the new IPO, Geo IPO listing, you can assume that the stock will be trading and might move into this region over here, 1600 or more. So, how to go about into executing this trade? What you can do is set a GTT order over here. If you are too wary and think it might still go down, then please wait for a few more weeks and see if it is still in this consolidation zone over here and whether it dips below the support or else if it starts gaining momentum and starts moving upwards. But I feel that it will go up, so I'm placing a GTT order over here, a buy GTT. So you can choose how many ever quantities you want and then press buy. Now, you can also set the target price and the stop loss with this. I'm setting my target to around 1600 and my stop loss to around 1270. So you can keep the target over here and create a GTT, go to sell, one cancels the other order. So you can see here the target, we can set it to around 1280. Do the same for this side as well. And then my target, I will be setting it to around 1600. So just do that as well. So yeah, you should know that this isn't a breakout trading strategy, but a recovery trade strategy. If you like the video, please follow for more such tips. And keep in mind, this isn't financial advice. Please trade at your own risk. Thank you.